Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make these delicious coconut puli pitha. These are soft, delicate and really easy to make. These are perfect for Ramadan or any special occasions. So for the ingredients for this recipe, I've got here 3 cups of ground rice flour and 2 cups of fresh desiccated coconut, 1 cup of sugar. You can add sugar to taste really, it depends on how sweet you like your food. Then I've got bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom. Start off by adding all the coconut into a small pan on medium heat. Add the sugar, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaf and slightly saute them until it looks nice and soft and the sugar has melted. Set aside and move on to the next step. To make the outer casing for this lovely coconut pastries, you're going to boil 3 cups of water. When it bubbles, that's when you're going to add the rice flour. Give it a good stir, the water will absorb into the rice flour. Once most of the water has been absorbed by the rice flour, you're going to cover it on a low heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now and the rice is fully cooked. I'm going to let it cool down now in a separate bowl. For about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to knead this extremely well. It's very important that you mix it and knead it into a nice soft dough. You don't want the rice flour splitting or cracking when you're cooking it. Once all the rice flour has been kneaded into a large dough ball, you're going to split it in half now. You can even split it into little pieces and then cut into shape. I prefer splitting it into halves and then roll it into a large piece, then using a stencil cutter to cut out the right size and shape. Once you've rolled out your dough piece, you can either use your hands to fill the filling in or you can use a stencil like me. Put a couple of tablespoons of the coconut filling in, then close it shut. If you're using your hands, you can pinch all the sides together to seal the edges. As I said earlier on, this is how you do it with your hands. Just fill it in and then pinch all the ends to seal it nice and shut. Right, we're going to shallow fry these now in a hot pan of oil. We're going to fry them until the colour's gone like a nice pale nut colour. You should see your puli pithas swelling up in size. This is when you know it's sealed nicely and that there is no cracks anywhere to let the oil absorb inside to the pitha. Okay, so these puli pithas are perfectly cooked now. We're going to serve them straight away, nice and hot. It's the best way to eat these. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video over Marjana's Kitchen. Please drop us a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. There's also plenty more to watch on Marjana's Kitchen's homepage.